Neighbor.
Gatsby? What Gatsby?
Come on, Daisy. Daisy, I'd like you to meet my neighbor, Mr. J. Gatsby. Mr. Gatsby, this is my cousin, Daisy Buchanan.
We've met before.
Met for many years.
8 years. Next November.
Please don't. You want too much. Tell him all that Daisy's changed her mind. Daisy's changed her mind.
The next day at 5 o'clock, you married Tom Buchanan without so much as a shiver.
You know what Jordan did? She ran a cold tub and dropped me into it, dress and all. And I couldn't stop crying, but I wouldn't let go of the letter. Your letter. I hung on to it and hung on to it until it came to pieces in the water. Melted away like snow.
Why? Why didn't you wait for me?
Because rich girls don't marry poor boys, J. Gatsby. Haven't you heard? Rich girls don't marry poor boys.
Daisy's leaving you.